Welcome to another video, and today's video we have given 4 power a plus 4 power a is equals to 80. Let's provide the solution. And of course, if you have seen us, we are supposed to find the value of a, and the first thing here is to copy what we have. We have 4 power a plus 4 power a is equals to 80. And we have 4 power a, which is the same. We can factorize them at 4 power a to get 1 plus 1 equals 80. Then at this stage we have 4 power a, then times 2 is equals to 80. Now of course we shall divide 2 and divide the 2 on both sides to get 4 power a is equals to 40. Right, then what are you going to do? We're going to apply logarithm of 4 power a, which equals to logarithm of 40. And of course here a logarithm of 4 is equals to logarithm of 4 times 10. A logarithm of 4 is equals to logarithm of 4 plus logarithm of 10. Both sides, in order to still remain with a only, we shall divide logarithm of 4, divide logarithm of 4, and of course divide logarithm of 4. This will be cancelled to get a equals 1 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 4. Right, and this is the value of a. And as we have seen nicely, we have to check, always to check if the answer we have got, if it is correct, by first for copy a 4 power a plus 4 power a, which equals to 80. We shall say that here we have 4 power 1 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 4 plus 4 power 1 plus logarithm of 10 to the base 4, which is equals to 80. And here when you have power in multiplication, means multiplication, of course. That is, we have 4 power 1, we shall write 4 power 1 times 4 power logarithm of 10 to the base 4. Right? And of course we shall copy this one because the seat still remain the same. 4 power 1 times 4 power logarithm of 10 to the base 4, which equals to 80. Of course 4 power 1 is equal to 4 times, we have same base to mean this one is answer, and here plus 4, and of course you have same base, we shall say times 10, which is equal to 80, and here of course we have 40 plus 40, which is equal to 80, and 80 is equals to 80. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.